Hey guys, I'm Lucas from Nowhere, and today we're going to be playing some Jubatsu no Mori, also known as Animal Crossing. This game was released in 2001 for the Nintendo 64. And before we get started, I have someone I want to shout out, and that is Retro Tony. Without him, this entire video would be impossible, because he lent me his Nintendo 64 and the copy of this game. So you guys should go check him out, he's pretty cool. I first started playing Animal Crossing in elementary school when a teacher recommended it to me since she knew that I played a lot of video games. When I started playing this game, I loved it. I put so many hours into it. It was so fun. It was so fun. And then I found out a very, very, very long time later that it originally started on the Nintendo 64, and I really wanted to try it out. And I'm going to be going around this Animal Crossing town and showing you guys off all the differences that I have found with it. My goodness, there's so many weeds. For those who don't know, in older Animal Crossing games and even current Animal Crossing games, the less you played your game, the more weeds showed up, and it was a pain. Up here is the biggest difference that I was able to find. Look at Tom Nook's shop. This is ridiculous. This is what happens in the Japanese game when you max out your store. I won't be able to show off the full store since the person that I'm playing as did not finish their chores. It is. One of the things I was able to find is in this game you could send messages to people. Like, you have these little mailbox guys that these living mailboxes that can tell messages to your other villagers, and one of them that I saw and was actually able to understand, the number 4 and the word for death in Japanese is very close to each other, so it's considered very unlucky in Japanese culture. And I just so happened to look at a message in this game and it was full of 4s, so that's kind of rude. There's one last big difference that I was able to find. The post office. What's the town tune? Oh, nothing's the town tune. Cool. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end the video off here.